Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today it's like a surprise. We are talking about something new which you cannot tell. So I shipped this on Jumia. I received it yesterday. So we are going to do unboxing. It's a desktop speaker. So if you have an office and you know you need a small speaker that you can use beside your laptop, yeah. So let's go ahead, open this. I show you what I have for you guys. So let's open this. So guys, these are the speakers. As you can see, they are very small and they're very tiny. If you can see very well this one, yeah. So let's open them and we check its sound. I have my computer here. I will show you the sound and how it works properly on the computer. Yeah, so guys, this one comes with a USB 2.0, also a 3.5 millimeter jack. So meaning you can use this, they have to be used too. This one is for the sound, then this one is for the power. Meaning if you don't have a computer and you want to use it on your phone, you will use this. You will put this one on this side of the phone like this. Then you put this one on the USB adapter to supply this speaker with the power. That is how it works. Then if you are on the computer, you will insert this on the side of the 3.5 millimeter jack. Then this one you put it in the port of USB 2.0, meaning you have supplied this one with the power and also the sound. Yeah. So what we have here, this is the subwoofer. It comes with the controllers. These are the controllers and also the subwoofer for the bass. Then it has also two speakers, tutors, as you can see. Yeah, so we are going to check it. If you have a small table and you want a music, what you need to do is only to buy this one at only not below $20. Yeah, I received this one within 2 days on Jumia. I was able to receive it. So let's check the sound quality and we go ahead. So right now I'm connecting it on my laptop. Then we test the sound. So guys, on my laptop, the music I'm having on my laptop, it's a copyrighted music, meaning I will receive the strike. What I need to do, I have to get music which doesn't have copyright claim. So let me go ahead, I find that music, then I will sample you once I find this music. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, I've found the music now. Let's use this power button to switch it on. So once you click it like this, that means you have switched it on. Then you can go on your laptop, then you play the music. So guys, that was the sound test. As you can see, the volume is too high, guys. If you're interested, let's check this one on the phone. We see how it plays the music. So as I've said, you have to make sure you put this into your adapter of the phone, then you supply this one with the power. So let's use the computer as the supplier, then we use the phone to play the music. So on this phone, as you have heard, it works, but on this phone I don't have non-copyright songs, so I cannot play any music on this phone. But guys, the sound is too high, you can use it to play. So to show you a quick user menu, you see you can connect it on this adapter, then you put this one on the phone, then you use it on the computer. You can also use it. Yeah. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe not to miss the next video, guys. Catch you. See you.